All right, behind me is the IL Center, and this is the main engineering building on campus. Now, this is used by students and professors from all engineering disciplines. Let's check it out.
The Integrated Learning Center is the building that we're in right now, and it's called that for a reason. It's the living building, as people call it. And when you walk in, the first thing you see is a big green wall, and it's a 3-story wall made up of living plants and organisms that filter air through the building naturally.
Okay, so now we're going to see how this building is actually alive, and we can do that by looking at monitors which are around the ILC, and they can show you pressure, the temperature, present day, what's happening.
Every single thing that goes on in this building is documented as far as power, electricity, lighting, airflow, chemicals in the air. Everything is documented. You can access it online, and it's kind of like a learning experience in itself. As well, they've left a lot of the structural aspects of the building open so that students can see them and learn from them while they're wandering through.
Actually, we're just going to walk past one of our workshops, which is phenomenal for any type of students that want to do prototyping at all. They have all the equipment out here.
And the equipment in here is just unbelievable.
So these workshops are open and available for students to use?
Anytime.
I love the ILC. We can come here and do projects. I love the rooms. It's just a great example for future engineers.
Yeah, so like when anyone goes into industry, like they're not like completely out of the loop of what's going on.
They come into a job knowing the tools, knowing kind of what's the newest and the best. That's amazing.
We can go on to the second floor then and show you the computer labs.
We're going up. So here we are on the second floor.
And actually here is one of the computer plazas, which is used by students from all disciplines, and it's amazing, and they have like labs in here and everything, so it's open to all students. It has all the up-to-date software on here too. The big thing here for the building is like interactive learning, not just having a classroom setting. You're sitting, prof is talking, but this is the teaching studio. And so what they have here is they have all the monitors facing you, so and then you can wheel around and you have your own computer. So whatever the prof's doing or teaching, you can see on the monitor, and you can just like flip your chair and you can do it yourself. So it gets people interacting, so they're not as like scared to ask questions, smaller setting, and it just like helps them out.
Third floor, let's go. So more group rooms.
Oh, they don't stop.
More group rooms.
And here we have is our robotics lab. So
robotics lab. Let's check this out.
So
tell me a little bit about this space. It looks expensive and it looks very cool. What happens in here?
What happens in here is this is for students doing, most likely the electrical and computing students doing any type of labs or projects. Now we're going to move on to the third floor plaza. We're going to show you some equipment some electrical and computing students use. And of course, another set of computers available for students up here. So you can see as students are working, this is where they can do their labs. Yeah. So
more unbelievable equipment that I have no idea how to operate.
Nor do I, but it's got really cool colors.
It does. It looks expensive. It looks important. Ground floor.
Here we are, first one.
Back where we started. Well, I want to thank you again.
Thank you.
For opening your many doors and showing us this building. It's amazing.
I'm glad you could see that it really is alive.
It is. All right. Well, we're moving on. We've got more stuff to see, so I'm out.
See you later.
See you later.